Hello YouTube. Yes, today I'm going to change the spark plugs in a 2013 Ford Escape. Now this Escape has about 92,000 miles on it. I'm not sure when the last time spark plugs were changed, so I figured I'd do them. And it costs about 30 bucks for 4 spark plugs, which is ridiculous, but whatever. So I guess let's get started. First we take off the decorative cover, which is retarded, but whatever. Now we get this thing off. Come on, let go. Oh, there we go. There we go. As you can see, you got 4 coils, which are really easy to get at. Except for that one. It doesn't even have a thing on it. It doesn't even look like it. That one does. Oh, it's probably underneath that. It's a hold down thing. But yeah. And I'm told these are 8mm. So let's go. Okay. Okay, get on there. Is it not 8mm? Yeah, it is. That wasn't that tight. Let me just untie now. I guess I gotta move that. It's ridiculous. You gotta make stuff so hard to get to. Maybe I have an 8mm wrench. Okay. An 8mm wrench. Maybe, oh, not that way. I'll just have to use this. Just put a little more light on the subject. Come here. Sure. This one next. That comes out easy. Take these clips off. Just pull this out. Oh, there we go. Well, there's one. Just clip off. There we go. Take it out like that with pulling it. See there, I'm assuming I just pull this up, screwdriver. It's like a pry bar, but whatever. Come off. Got there we go. And it's off. Well, I can move this out of the way. I think that'll work. Yep. It's just long enough. Now if that's loose, you'll be able to turn it right off. Yep. Good. That'll be able to come right out too. tension off. There, nice and easy. Just keep my mouth shut, because the last one's going to be hard. Okay. Now, that one's going to be fun. But first things first, we'll get this off. Which was easier than the other one. It's out of the way somehow. I guess just put it to the side like that. Look at that. We go that one over here and take this off. I should be good. It's better to fight or take stuff off than fight around stuff. Excuse me. For this part. Oh, I was going to get a socket, but since I already have the screwdriver out. So that one, try this. The swivel should work fine. We shall see. It's just going to take a while, that's all. That sucks, but sorry, I need better lighting. See if that's good enough. Because for them it is. But for me, not so much, because I'm not, like I said, a mechanic. But I like to play with my own vehicles and stuff like that. And my relatives, if I can, save everybody a couple bucks. That is now. Woo! Flashlight. And other stuff. Let's see here. See if I can get this off first. Okay, that's off. Come out. Okay. That's out. Maybe I don't need to disconnect that, but I will try to anyway. Possible. Both guys look the same. Well, fine. He'll just go off to the side. Okay, should be nice and easy now since that's out of my road. Yeah, that's right. It's already on. I'm done a little bit, so I can just twist it out. Over there. See if I can get that up and over. Yep. Okay. Pull that out. Now, before I go any further, I think I want to blow all this junk out. A lot of debris in there. It's amazing. Everything's covered, but you still get all that stuff in there. Just like all up here that I'll have to clean off then. I do not have a blow gun, but I do have air. That's better than nothing. I'll move on to taking out spark plugs. Okay, now get these out with a spark plug socket. Has the rubber in it, but if I put an extension on it, then I can't get to it. Although, let me do a short 3-inch, not that I have 3 inch. Alrighty, so first I'll put this in. And I'll take another 3-inch, throw it on there. Make sure the ratchet's in the right direction. I'll throw this in here. Now, Okay. Can I do that by hand? Yep. That off. See how this is. Ain't too bad, but still could be replaced. As we see here, it is not that bad. Got what? Almost up to 40? About 40? It's supposed to be gapped at 32. Here's our new one, which is gapped at 32, give or take. Righty, the gloves back on. I try to use gloves a lot more now. It's always a pain to scrub your hands, but it happens. Throw this in here. Alrighty, tighten this thing up. And I'm pretty sure there's probably some kind of spec for torque. I just crank it down. Good, bad, maybe, I don't know. Like I said, I'm not a mechanic. Alrighty. And we're tight. Take this out. Okay. Be able to do the rest by hand. Take this off. Alrighty. As we see, very similar to the other one. Take the other two out before I put more in. Okay, those in there. Also similar condition. Oh, come on, stay. What I did notice when I took that last one out, that these appear to be It's either the Ford dealer replaced the spark plugs last, or these are the original spark plugs. That, yeah, I couldn't tell either way. But I don't think the Ford dealers put Ford plugs in it. But whatever. Now for the last one. At least these aren't like the freaking the 5.4 Triton engine spark plugs. I'm sure you've seen a couple of videos on those. Those are horrible. Freaking, I had a 06 F-150 that had the 5.4 Triton in it, and as I was doing the spark plugs, one broke off. After I get this out, I can show you that I kept it. And luckily it didn't break off to where it fell inside the cylinder. And I had a buddy of mine that's a mechanic, and he came up with his special tool. Well, he bought a special tool because he happened to be at the Napa store when I called him, said, hey, I got an issue. He's like, hey, I'll buy it because I need it. Yep, about the same. Yeah, here's that spark plug from the 5.4 Triton out of my 96 F-150. This part was what broke off into the engine, into the cylinder head. Luckily, he was able to get it out. Yeah. Although, yeah, I could not believe that. But I kept it. I thought it was rather interesting. Alrighty, then I'll start with cylinder 1. That was the last one I took out. Put that in there. Okay, now we're seated. A little torque and done. Come off. Now I already made sure that gap was right, as well as the rest of them. Second one. Well, cylinder 2, not the second one. It's the third one, but cylinder 2. Okay. Ooh. Well, all sorts of problems. Hitting the camera, knocking the light down. Okay. And tight. more to go. Probably about the best I'm getting. Like I said, the last one. One of these days I'll get better lighting. I think the other guys, they have excellent lighting when they do this stuff. Well, Rain Man Ray does. I watch him the most. Oh wait. Make sure it's down as far as I can get it by hand. Otherwise I'll be ratcheting for a long while. I have an air ratchet, but I'd rather not do that for here. That's really noisy. Almost. More tight. First I gotta get this off. Okay. For each one of these I put in a little dielectric grease. What I gotta do is put them back in. Get that thing out of the way. Push it down and feel the click. Feel it being, you know, seated on the spark plug properly. Just back in. Where are you? A little bit. Don't need that much. This back over, and then where's the plug? Can't really see it, but behind the oil fill tube here, and it's on. Now the next one. This one also has dielectric grease. They all do. Go back in here. Feel it make contact with the spark plug. Down. Tighten it down a bit. And good. And we'll get back in. Out of there. There we go. That's it. Next. Again, the electric grease. This in here. It'll make contact with the spark plug. Right there. Bolt back in. Just can't see, can you? Yeah. It's kind of hard to manipulate the camera with the pod on it, or whatever you want to call it, the stick. Tighten this down. Good. That there. Last one. Cylinder 1. Now I did put back all the cylinders in their original places. I think I felt that. Hold on. Yeah, I felt it. Okay. Put this back in. tight. Take this, put this back in there. Yeah, keep on getting my glove stuck. And put that back on. Now, just got to put this cover back there, the intake tube back on, which I'll just put that back there. Okay, goes in there, so come back down, and voila. Come on, get on there. There we go. Back on. Let's use the long one. Come on. It's even moving. That's the right one, I should. I don't think it's giving me issues. I'll just use this like I did before. Oh. Come on. Alrighty, that is tight. There. A little bit. And almost forgot about that one last bolt. This one. Come on. Still too loose for the ratchet. Oop. Keep on hitting the camera. Wiggle all over the place. Okay, now I should be able to get it with the ratchet. Oh, still loose, but can't really do it anymore with my fingers. Not yet. Soon. There we go. And oh yeah, there we go. Oh, that's on. Here we go. All we gotta do is start it. Make sure we did the correct fix. That was it. It works. Alrighty, that will conclude this video. Let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a like. Subscribe if you want. Any questions, complaints, concerns, let me know. in the comment section. But other than that, have a good day. Oh, and by the way, I did not forget about crud in here. Ooh, wow, that is pretty bad in there. The rest will have to be done by a hose, but not at this time. Alright, later.